What's up, Dash Squad? So we have another hair review for you guys. We're going to get right into this hair review. It is called Wignee Hair. Let's get right into this unboxing. You guys, I am getting over a cold, but that's neither here nor there, so that's why I don't sound like my normal self. So let's get right into this wig review. So let's see what we have inside. So we have a pair of lashes, we have a wig cap, we have rollers, a well-needed wig brush to brush out these wigs. This is so cute. I'm assuming this is a bracelet, but it is just the cutest. So lastly, we have our wig. Y'all know your girl gets so excited with these wigs, like, oh, without the net. Y'all see these curls, okay. So this is inside. So this is the lace, as you guys can see. We have our clips and our clip in the inside. So this wig will definitely not need any bleaching. You guys know the routine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside the lace and just put some makeup on it. It's going to be my normal foundation. I'm going to put in the inside so it will blend well. We're going to get right into this.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. That I can have this moment for life. You could do that. You could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of.
holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were good, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do that. You could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated.
If you guys have stuck it out this far, thank you guys so much. I would definitely recommend this hair. The hair was so soft and the natural state of these curls were absolutely gorgeous and I loved it. The only reason why I wet the unit was to show you guys the difference between the dry or natural state versus the wet look. But this hair was beautiful. This wig was big head friendly, which is always a plus. I did not even have to glue this hair down. I put a little Gots to Be in the front just to secure it, but I could take this wig off at night and put it back on and still get the same look. I absolutely love that. I would definitely recommend this hair to anyone that is not good with putting on units. As you guys can see, the part was defined. I did not have to add any concealer to the part, which is always a plus. So I would recommend this hair. Tell me you guys' thoughts. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below. Please make sure you check out the description box as well. And until next time, Dash Squad, thank you guys so much for watching.
She gon' rock it Boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, boy, you should be.